Stick and stitches are embroidery patterns printed on easy peel and stick stickers that dissolve in water, allowing you to stitch on virtually anything that you can get it to stick to. To stitch your sticker, you will need your fabric of choice. This could be a piece of fabric, a hat, socks, whatever you're choosing to stitch on, embroidery floss, embroidery needle, embroidery hoop, scissors, stick and stitch sticker, and to remove the stick and stitch, you will need a bowl with warm water and a towel. Pick your sticker. Keep in mind how the sticker may fit on what you're embroidering. Apply your sticker. Hoop your fabric, peel the sticker from the backing, and firmly press it on your fabric. When stick and stitches are first applied, they adhere really well to your fabric, but as you embroider, the edges may lift. Embroider. Stick and stitches are a free-for-all when it comes to your embroidery floss colors and stitches. It can be as simple or as complicated as you want. Just make it yours. Remove the stick and stitch. Fill a bowl with warm water. Unhoop your fabric and soak the fabric for 3 to 5 minutes. Once the time is up, rinse the fabric under warm water to remove any remaining residue. To dry your embroidery, lay your piece flat on a towel and roll your towel onto itself to remove excess water. Finally, hang it up to air dry. If you're new to embroidery or picking stitches all on your own, here is a cheat sheet of sorts on what stitches to use for your stick and stitch stickers. When it comes to outlines that capture crisp details and curves, use the back stitch, chain stitch, split stitch, stem stitch, or the whipped back stitch. For filling areas, use the brick stitch, long and short stitch, or satin stitch with a short stitch length. The basque stitch, bullion knot, detached chain stitch or the lazy daisy, French knot, long and short stitch, and the satin stitch make for great florals. And the detached chain stitch or the lazy daisy, fly stitch, and the fishbone stitch make for great leaves. Now that we've covered the basics of using stick and stitch stickers, go forth and embroider. I love using these stickers to make little bag charms, but I'd love to hear what embroidery project you have planned, so leave a comment below sharing the deets.